The top 10 on America's Got Talent is set. The last 5 acts moving on to the finals were revealed during Wednesday's results show following what Heidi Klum called a tough night of semi-final performances. In Simon Cowell's opinion, however, that's not enough contestants in the finale. "So many of you were outstanding last night," said Cowell, who admitted to being absolutely gutted by the top 10 reveal. "I think we should have a wild card. A new champion will be crowned next week." The past 2 winners, spoken word artist Brandon Leake, Season 15, and singer Cody Lee Season 14, were both Golden Buzzer winners. But the coveted status is no longer synonymous with frontrunners. Just like last week, 2 Golden Buzzer winners who earned rave reviews found themselves in danger of elimination, including the show's first ever group Golden Buzzer. Cal said he was in shock. Here's what happened. Brooke Simpson blows Simon Cowell, Howie Mandel away with Ed Sheeran cover. The fans' picks. The 3 acts that received the most votes automatically advanced. That means they are only one performance away from winning $1 million and a headlining show in Las Vegas. Northwell Nurse Choir, Howie Mandel's Golden Buzzer winner, was the first act to move forward following their emotional rendition of Andy Grammer's "Don't Give Up on Me" in their signature scrubs. "This is America saying a big thank you," Mandel said. "We came here with a mission to use the power of music to heal the world, and we get to keep doing that," said choir member Emmanuel Remillis, one of 18 nurses who worked at the front line during the pandemic in New York. Northwell Nurse Choir of frontline workers win Golden Buzzer with heroic song. Singer Brooke Simpson joined them in the safe zone after her powerful cover of Ed Sheeran's "Bad Habits." Cal said she 100% deserves to be in the final. Simpson added, "I feel shocked honestly. Thank you so much for everyone who voted for me." Comedian Josh Blue also advanced. Mandel said this is the year of the comedian, noting that 2 comedians are in the finale for the first time in the show's history. A comedian has never won AGT in the past 15 seasons. "I feel amazing," Blue said. As for Cowell's advice, be even more naughty next week. The face-off. Quick change artist Léa Kyle, Klum's Golden Buzzer, 9-year-old opera singer Victory Brinker, the group's first ever Golden Buzzer, and unicycle dance group UniCircle Flow finished in the middle of the pack and were on the brink of elimination. Tuesday night, Klum said Kyle was the best quick change artist we've ever had. Sofia Vergara said Brinker has a good chance of winning the $1 million. Cowell added that UniCircle Flow may have given yourself a chance for the finals following their upbeat performance. but the stellar acts didn't translate to enough votes. The three acts went head-to-head in a live voting round for the AGT Save, where fans had the opportunity to rescue one performer. Whoever received the most votes in a 30-minute flash round would move on. In the end, viewers saved Kyle. "Incredible," she exclaimed. Kyle said, "After last night's performance, you really deserve your spot in the final." But the results weren't over just yet. The judges had the chance to save either Brinker or UniCircle Flow, who was in the same exact position last week. Host Terry Crews called it the judges' biggest decision of the season so far. "Both acts were fantastic last night," Klum said before voting for Brinker to stay. Vergara also picked Brinker. Mandel went for UniCircle Flow because of their originality. Cowell went with his heart and selected Brinker, sending her to the finals. Eliminated. For 6 other acts, however, their dreams came crashing down. The 5 acts with the fewest votes: 1A chord, vocal trio, Ryokris, acrobatic group, Kabir Singh, comedian, Chap Kids, dance group, and Peter Antoniou, mentalist, were eliminated. UniCircle Flow was also sent packing. Next week. America's Got Talent will return September 14th for finale performances, NBC, ATDT/PDT. The new champion will be crowned during the season finale results show on September 15th. The finalists are aerialist Aidan Bryant, magician Dustin Tavella, comedians Gina Brayton and Josh Blue, Northwell Nurse Choir, singer Brooke Simpson, and 4 Golden Buzzer winners, singer Jimmy Herod, Vergara, opera singer Victory Brinker, group pick, World Taekwondo Demonstration Team, Crews, and quick change artist Léa Kyle, Klum. Could Cal have a wild card up his sleeve? We'll see next week.